Hey yo, what's up guys? How are you doing? This is Bayo Adio. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been watching my videos and you're a returnee to my channel, I really appreciate your support. I hope that you're enjoying the videos. The best way to show support is to like this video, subscribe to my channel. That is one of the best ways that you can show support for my channel. With that being said, today's video is to highlight one of the Airbnbs that we stayed at in Lagos, Nigeria. It is one of my favorite Airbnbs, not necessarily because of the house itself, but because of the amenities, the community, the neighborhood, the accessibility to the major roads, the street food access, the proximity to grocery stores, and everything that we need is really walking distance or a short drive. So that's one of the main reasons why we picked this Airbnb. And another reason is the outdoor space. Let me show you guys. So you have the garden, which Nigeria gets hot, so this brings a lot of breeze. And then this is my workout area where there's turf, and you can also park the car here. So outdoor space was one of my main things that I was looking for while I was here. And it also has a shield, so when it rains or when it's too hot, you at least get a cool vibe. And I will show you guys the playground and the swimming pool later, but typically every evening at like 5 or 6 p.m. all the kids in this estate get together and they go and play in the playground. And my daughter has actually made a lot of friends. Typically every evening they'll come and knock on our door. They'll be like, "Where's Abiola? We want to play. We need her to come and play with us." Hey, hi Tommy. How are you doing? How are you?
Daddy.
Yeah?
Whoa.
You want to go play?
Yeah.
Okay. Hello. So I think that's one of the main things that we love in this apartment. So now that I've given you guys a quick overview, let's go inside and check out the other parts of the apartment on the inside. All right, follow me guys. All right, so as you guys come in, there is an office to the right and then a little hallway to go to the living room here. So this is where I work, since I am a digital nomad, so I work mainly on my computer. So I always need a quiet space to work. So it's nice to have a dedicated office space. There's also a lounger here where you can meet, and there's multiple chairs. It has a nice background, and the owner of this Airbnb designed shoes. So that's a little bit of a tour of what the office space. This is where I spend like 10-12 hours a day of my time because I have to work. All right, so that's a quick glance of the office. And then we have this hallway here, which is, we usually put the shoes or anything that you want to store there, and this beautiful African map window. All right, you can use it to check yourself out before you go out. So now, and this is the living room. This can sit easily 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's a lot of space that you can use to entertain. This place is very family friendly, so you can definitely host a lot of people here. And the office is there, and this is the hallway that we just came from. All right, and then they have DSTV, which is a cable service that you can watch. And here is the dining area. As you can see, very family oriented. You can sit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people around here. So we typically eat breakfast here, sometimes dinner, and sometimes we just eat in the living room. So I like the openness of how it connects to this. And then if you turn left with me, and we're all downstairs, this is the kitchen. So one of the things that we liked is that there was a huge fridge. So we can store a lot of the food items there. That's where we store our water, gas cooking, and then it has a 2 base sinks where you can wash your dishes and kind of separate them, and then a microwave, and then lots of storage that you can use. So we really made it home. All right, and then I need to show you guys the back. If you guys are into hand washing clothes, if you want to, and then there's this washing machine. If you want to learn more about how this washing machine works, I'll put a link to the video somewhere here, definitely check it out, or I'll put it in the description so you can see. It's a very unique washing machine, and then you can also have space to dry your clothes out here. So it's just, again, just things to pay attention to. All right, so now it's time to take you guys upstairs. So follow me. Well, before we go upstairs, let me switch this camera around. I love that there's a guest restroom here. So anytime you have a visitor or you're entertaining, they don't have to go all the way to your bedroom to use their restroom. There's a guest restroom here at the bottom. So you guys can see, has just basic. Okay. And then let's go upstairs. Dun, dun, dun. This is the view from what it looks like up here. So we're going upstairs. There's beautiful painting highlighting Lagos. So upstairs there is 3 bedrooms. Actually, technically 4, but 3 was available on our stay. So this is what we used as the guest bedroom, and this is where we stayed. And then that is my daughter's bedroom. So and this place has a living room upstairs and a living room downstairs. Let me just take you guys through the room one by one. So this is the guest room. There's a mini closet where you can put clothes on. Big windows, big window there. And then each room has a guest bathroom. So this one has a toilet and a shower that you can use, and a hot water heater as well. So each of these rooms have an AC and that you can use, which is very important. So that way you can control the climate in each room, which is really cool. So this is bedroom number 1, which you can use this in whatever way you want, but that's how we used it. All right, let's go to room number 2. This is what we used as the master bedroom, mainly because the bathroom is bigger and it has more storage for the closets here. And then we can see any guest that we have coming, or if we rent an Uber or a boat, we like to have this big window so we can see if they're here, if they're coming, and you can also close it for privacy too as well. So we love this room for that. There goes another beautiful, you guys need to appreciate this beautiful African map. All right, and then the bathroom in this side is big. So, I mean, not huge, but big. There's a lot of space to kind of put your items there. There's a place to brush your teeth. And then the bathroom here is big because you can actually take, 2 people can take a shower at a time if you're a couple. So there's a shower head there and a shower head here. So yeah, and I think that's the hot water heater there. So this is bedroom number 2. Okay, so this is the living room upstairs. So again, if you have guests and they're downstairs and you kind of want to hang out, this is a multifunctional room that I like. But what we did is we made this our daughter's playground area. So we actually bought this, but from the US, but we're gonna keep it here. So if you guys need it and you have some kids, you can use it. Let's check out this beautiful playground. It's just a way for our daughter to hang out and play. So that's that. And then there's also a view here. And then there's a TV that you can use and entertain yourself. So again, just a little separation if you are into that. Again, let's appreciate this artwork. All right, now let me show you guys room number 3. This is our daughter's room. So, as you guys can see, she has all of her friends here. Her bed is lower to the ground, so that means she can easily climb down. Very, very well thought out. Or you can use this room as an office space that has a desk here, but I use the office space downstairs. And then, of course, we have the bathroom here. Let me see if I can find the light. Where is the light? I think it's behind here. There it goes. Booyah. So yeah, so again, as you guys can see, this is really, really low. So if you have a little one, they'll be able to brush their teeth, go wash their hands. I love how the houses are well thought out for a family. And then you have the commode, and then she has her own bathroom over there. So that is our daughter's room. So let me have a seat. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed the tour of our Airbnb. And I would say we really love this. The house is not completely like updated and modern, but it's so functional. Like with the office, with the baby's room, with the guest room, with the toilet downstairs, guest toilet, with the kind of separation of living spaces up top, with the back, and the huge yard in the front that we utilize a lot. We've had get-togethers there. I do my workouts out there. It's very amazing. Another thing that this complex has is a pool. One of our main reasons that we wanted to accomplish was to learn how to swim. So they have a full pool that they try to maintain. Our swimming coach comes in here. They try to clean it very often. It's amazing amenity. It's because it's hot, so it's nice for us to be able to cool off. And then they also have this playground where all these kids play. I think that's just so amazing. Like a dedicated space for them to play. They play soccer, they hang around. Our daughter loves it. They have swings and all types of stuff.
Oh, that's so cute. Cheers. There you go. Thank you. That's very nice.
And then the streets that's around this area, which is by Jakonde First Gate, it has a whole bunch of we've kind of just grown to love this community. We have our bully person, we have our sugarcane person, we have our fruit person, we have our tomato guy, we have our puff guy, we have a little mini restaurant that sells African food that we go to all the time. Who else do we patronize? And then there's a market too very close by that we can get stuff that we need. So I'm gonna miss them. So those are the things that we really love. And our neighbors, all of them are just so nice. They're very friendly. This is also a very secure estate. So the area is very accessible to the major roads, but in order to get into an estate, you have to go through the security. You have to let them know who you're coming to see. So I really like that about this estate. And for you guys that are watching, in Nigeria, when we say estate, we're referring to a gated neighborhood that has a lot of apartments or a lot of houses that's kind of gated and separated by a wall that a lot of residents lives in.
Yeah, she waved this time. That Carol. She waved. Progress. So we are out of our complex. Good morning, honey. Say hi to YouTube. Say good morning, YouTube.
So that's what we call estates. So the main thing that I just want to do a quick highlight of is the outdoor space, but I think I already did that actually earlier in the beginning of the video. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please like this video. I will add the description. I would add the link to this person's Airbnb underneath this post. And again, short-term rentals are a little bit more expensive than just renting an apartment. So for this space, you're gonna be paying somewhere around $2,000 to $3,000-ish a month if you're doing short-term rental. And it's because we're on the island. It's in a gated estate with security. You have, electricity and it's in a great location, so you pay for all of that. So yeah, that's generally what it costs, and it's close to the mall. It's close to a lot of shopping centers. So if you guys are interested, just click on the link in this video. I added his Airbnb link in there. You can check it out. Maybe you want to stay a night or 2 nights or a week. Feel free to check it out. It's amazing, especially if you have a family. So again, thanks for watching, and I think I have rambled enough, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.